build is very nice, but that airplane noise is ridiculously loud.
Finish. Done already.
I'm glad that flew over
Yeah.
at that time.
你们愿意花460万澳币买一个在飞机航线下巨吵，但是地理位置好，而且装修很给力的房子吗？
I'm Lisa Chloe Lovelace from Lee. These are racial floor plans on the back.
What's the size?
4.6 on this one.
4.6.
You want together?
Yeah. 自从看完了第一个带码头的房子之后，再看到这种豪华的装修啊，已经没办法再对我俩硕大的双眼造成任何视觉上的冲击了。Oh my god, Chloe, can you hear the airplane? That's terrible.
Am I in the airport right now?
The airplane so that I can't stand that.
What's the guy? 4.6.
Yeah, 4.6. 4.6 this or the souvenir one.
Cost Slovenia waters.
5房3卫双车库，土地大小只有328平方，室内206，主打一个小而精。但是呢，都在内西看房了，谁还会追求超大的土地呢？在这种繁忙的大城市，谁又有心情每天回家还想着打理自己的房子、打理自己的院子呢？大大的旋转楼梯确实漂亮，但是伴随着10分钟内第3架飞机从我头上飞过，脑壳真的嗡嗡的。
This is pretty nice. I've never seen a design like this before.
这房子的建筑质量包括设计真的没话说，就算在悉尼的新房子里，应该算是中上水平吧。The design in Sydney is just a bit better than Adelaide. 但是这个飞机的噪音硬伤实在是太硬了，突破了心里最后的防线。已经不是价格问题了，就算再便宜，对于噪音问题我还是没办法接受。Oh, is that the city? Oh, city view, Chloe. Come to me.
不是姐们，你在家看风景，跳着看了
You。need to stand in my position. 再一点，内西区地理位置确实好，而且很方便，但是对于个人而言还是略显拥挤。我们所期待的澳洲的住宅的标准，更多是一种放松的生活模式，闹中取静的一个地理位置。给你的话，愿意花那么多钱买这样的房子吗 ？Is this 4.6 for you?
For me, the build is very nice, but that airplane noise is ridiculously loud. And it's very frequent. We've been here for like 5 minutes and already 3 planes have flown over us.
I think that's a big no.
Yeah, it's a huge no. That's going to affect your living state.